Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I got a great box to open up for y'all. It's the box by Fashionsta, and this video is a little bit late. I just got this box a couple days ago, and it's the November 2019 box, and it was shipped out with a delay. So I know if you guys are part of the Fashionsta group, you understand the situation and why it took so long for these boxes to get out. But I just want to start off by saying that I do these videos as I receive the boxes. So even though it is December now, I haven't even opened up this box yet, and I can't wait to see what's in it. And that's what we're gonna do. So I can't wait to show you the products and check them out for myself, because we've all been waiting a long time to see what's in this box, and I've seen the spoilers, so I'm really excited about this one this month. And Fashionsta always does a really awesome job picking out products and sending them out to everybody. So I wasn't going to complain about being patient and having to wait for the box, but here it is. I finally got it. So awesome. This is what comes in it. We've got a list of all the products. So I'm going to be referencing this in the video, let you guys know what these are and how much they each cost. And just so you know, this box is $19.99 right now, but they are going to increase the price of the box starting in January. I think it's going to go up to $25, but those of us who locked in that price for $19.99, it's going to stay the same for us. So I'm going to keep subscribing to it because I'm always really satisfied with the products that they pick. And yeah, it's a great box, so check it out. I think there are 5 total products in here, and I'll just go by them one by one. So the first one that I'm super excited about is the Bud Naked CBD Scrub. This is a vegan and cruelty-free, eco-friendly, locally sustainably sourced product, and it's got CBD in it. So those of you who don't know about the effects or the benefits of CBD, definitely research that. It's not only good for pain relief, but it's great for your skin, and it doesn't get you high like THC. It's made from the cannabis plant, but it is THC free, so you don't have to worry. And this is what the scrub looks like. So I was reading on their Instagram, and it said this is specifically made for cellulite, and it is a really dry scrub. It's packed in there really nicely. Not a whole lot of smell to it. It is a sugar scrub, but yeah, very light smell. Let me see if I can read what the ingredients are on this. It has watermelon, cucumber, argan oil, mango butter, cannabis, vitamin C, and sweet almond oil, and also the CBD. So that's going to be the most active ingredient in there, is the CBD. It says it rejuvenates and it's acne fighting. The watermelon is anti-inflammatory, cucumber rejuvenates, and argan oil hydrates. So lots of really great products in here. I'm really happy that it is paraben and sulfate free, because that's part of my beauty regimen, my beauty skin routine. I try to keep all the parabens and sulfates out of my routine, so I can't wait to try that. The next one, oh man, let me just tell you how heavy this box is. Like, these are all full-size products, and they are nice. I am excited about this. Check it out. It is argan oil hair serum from Morocco, and I am super happy about this. I really love putting argan oil on my hair. It helps keep it healthy and shiny, and I've been using it for a long time to help grow my hair out and keep the frizz down. If you have naturally curly hair, then you understand the struggle with frizz. Like, I always have frizzy hair and there's just not much you can do about it. But argan oil really helps. Oh, and this beautiful bottle. Holy cow. Look at how pretty that is. I am excited about that. In fact, I'm going to try it right now because if you look close, I got a lot of frizz going on here. So let's see what this is all about. Oh, and it smells so fresh and fruity. Okay. This hair serum is formulated to give instant relief from hair follicles immediately after heat has been applied. Fights frizz, protects structure, and keeps your hair silky soft. And it's really soft on my hands. Like, I didn't put any heat on my hair, but I do got a lot of frizz, so look at that. I think it helped. Hold on. I love this smell. I'm gonna put some more on it. Definitely a pretty product. I don't mind having that hang around on my countertop. It's such a beautiful bottle. Packaging is my thing. You guys already know I love it when the packaging is pretty, and it's a product that is clean and naturally made from organic ingredients. I'm reading it. It says it has jojoba oil, vitamin E, omega-3, and 9. So now my hands are really oily. I'm gonna try to get some of this product into my hair so I don't mess up all the other cool products I'm about to open up. All right, moving on. What else is in here? This is another huge product. Look at that. Orange blossom and lavender water complexion oil. No. Yeah, essential oils and herbal extracts. This blend of pure essential oils and herbal extracts offers balancing, smoothing, reparative, and youth-preserving benefits for head-to-toe hydration. Gosh, that's beautiful. Look at these products. I am so excited. This is from Fig and Yarrow Apothecary. And try it out. It's light, fresh. It smells very clean. It says it can be used over your face and body, apply after cleansing, and anytime for an uplifting and renewing dose of hydration. So I like that. I love that it has the essential oils because it has a lot of benefits themselves for relaxation with the lavender and uplifting with the orange. So I am already in love with this. I use a lot of facial mists, so that's a great one for my skin routine. Oh, I completely forgot to read the prices to you guys. Okay, so this one is retail valued at $34. And the hair serum retails for $45. And the CBD Naked Sugar Scrub has a retail value of $29. So that's why this box was so heavy. These containers are glass, and I'm glad they didn't get damaged in the mail. And this is 4 fluid ounces, so that's gonna last me a long time, especially if I only use it on my face. All right, keep moving on. I see a makeup product in here. This is Brave Liquid Lipstick from Lurella. And It says it goes on as smoothly as a gloss, but with the pigment levels of a luxury lipstick. It retails for $10. Can't wait to see what color this is. It does look a little dark, but I'll give it a try. I was just saying in my last videos that I need to start using more lip stuff. I think it's a beauty product that I've been neglecting. I haven't used a whole lot of lip stuffs in my life, so I'm going to have to try that. And since I'm already wearing a gloss today, I'm just going to swatch this on my hand. It is a big bottle. It does look a little bit dark. Wow, but it does have the pigment of a lipstick. Check it out. Very pretty for the holiday season. I like that berry tone. I think it would look good on a lot of different skin tones. And yeah, I like that we got makeup in here. So the last product I'm going to show you is another makeup product. And this is why I love Fashionsta, because they give you full-size palettes in their box. Look, it matches my tree back there. This is the Midnight Garden by Beaute. And I was looking at these guys on Instagram as well, and this is a brand new product. I think it's only been out for a couple months. So that's another reason why I love Fashionsta, because they don't pick products that are expired or limited edition. They pick products that you can go out and buy in store, and they don't get shysty on the products. They always give you something that is full size and beautiful. So let's check this out. Again, makeup palette, the eyeshadow palette from Beaute. This retails for $18. And it's a cardboard box, but look at those colors. All those purples and pinks. Oh my gosh. Golds and browns. I don't know what I'm going to do with all those colors, but I can't wait to try. It looks so exciting. So yeah, I am thrilled with this box. It says it has a retail value of $136. Again, I only spent 20 bucks on it. And just so you know, if you've been watching my channel, I do subscribe to these boxes with my own dime. I'm not paid for my reviews. I do this for fun. So I always feel like I have a great box when it feels like it's a good investment and it's worth my money. So I spent 20 bucks on this and I got $136 worth of products. So I'm really happy, especially with this one. I think that's my favorite. I can't wait to try the CBD scrub and the lipstick. But all in all, what a great box. I'm glad I got it. It was definitely worth the wait. You guys go check out Fashionsta website and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.